Hi, welcome to my Cute Toons with Chalk. Today we're going to draw a centaur. And the centaur is half human, half horse. So we're going to draw a half girl, half horse. So get your pen, your marker, and let's begin drawing. So first, we're going to draw the eyes as usual. So we're going to draw two beautiful big eyes. There we go, and let's draw the other one as well. There we go. Two beautiful big eyes, and we're just gonna make a little mark there and another line there as well. Good. And then don't forget the eye reflections. There's one. There's the other. There's another eye reflection. And there's the other one. Great. Let's color it in. Great, there we go. Next up, it's going to be a little girl, so we're going to draw some eyelashes as well. So let's draw them. There's one, there's two, there's three. Perfect. And on this side, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. And now for the little nose. We're going to draw a small little nose right there. Good. And don't forget, we need a beautiful little smile. There we go. Perfect. And now we're going to draw the face. So let's do the chin, and then we're just going to draw it close to her face up. Perfect. And on this side we're going to do the same thing as well. We're just going to go close to her eyes. And now it's time for her hair. So right up here, you're going to draw a little line down like this. And then again on this side you're going to do the same thing. Just a little line like that. And now we're going to just draw the hair, and then from here we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to draw it back and we're going to connect it. And here in the middle we're just going to draw a few lines up like so. That's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Then let's continue with the hair. I'm going to start here and I'm going to just draw a little line over like this. Yeah, and then I'm going to bring it back like so. Perfect. And then on this side, I'm going to actually just draw another line down, and I'm going to just take it back like that. And then from here, I'm actually going to do the same thing. I'm going to bring a line all the way around her face like that, and then I'm going to sort of bring another line back like so. That's perfect. And then from here we can just make another line like this, so we can complete this. I think it looks absolutely perfect. What do you think? And now what I want us to do, we're going to draw a shoulder. So you're going to start here, and we're going to draw a little arm all the way down like so. Good. And a little bump there, and you're going to draw the arm there. Perfect. And then from here we're going to draw an arm back, and we're going to continue like this as well. And there's her arm. Let's draw the little fingers. One finger, another finger, another finger, another finger, and then here we can draw the last one like this. And that would be a little hand. That's absolutely perfect. And now what you can do, you can just make a circle like this and connect it like so. Alright, and just bring another circle down like this, and that would be her little shirt. Yeah, perfect. And from here we're just going to draw a little line down like this. And now for the other arm, right in this corner, I want you to draw the arm out, and let's draw the thumb. So there's the thumb, and you can make this. This is the hand, like this, and then you're going to just bring it back like that. And now we're going to draw the fingers. So you're going to have one finger, the other finger, the other finger. Good. And then the last one. Perfect. And these are little fingers. Perfect. And now, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a body. So here from her thumb, I want you to just draw a little line out, like so. Good. Just a little line like this. And now we're going to actually just draw a little body like this. That would be her upper body. Perfect. And now, what I want you to do is draw a line like this and down and connect it. Just to there, and then you stop. Perfect. And then from here, we're going to draw a leg, the front leg. You're going to draw a leg, and you're going to bring it out, and you're going to take it back, like this. Good. And then from here, we're going to actually go back. You're going to make a little bump there, and you're going to bring the leg like so. See, it looks like a human leg, but you'll see it's going to change a little bit now. And then from here, I want you to draw the other leg. So we're going to actually start here, right up here, and you're going to draw a line like so. Perfect. And then you're going to draw a line back like this, and you're going to do this. You're with me? Perfect. And then we go up, all the way up to there. And then from here, I want you to actually just draw a line like that. Good. And there's the hoof. And then for a little belly, yeah, we're actually going to just draw a little belly like so. Good. That's perfect. And now for the hind legs. You're going to draw a line like this, go back like so, and bring it up. You're with me? Perfect. And you're going to just do it like that. And then from here, I want you to actually go and draw a line up, and we're going to actually just make it a bit round and connect it like that. Perfect. And then on the other side, we're going to draw the other leg as well. You're going to go up, you're going to do this, go up, there and there. And there's the other leg. That's absolutely perfect. And now, I want us to draw the tail. So we're going to go up, going to draw a line like this, and then you're going to draw another line, and you're just going to do this. Perfect. Good. And then from here, I want you to draw another line down, like so, and just connect it there. That's perfect. And then from here, you can just draw a line down, like so. And here, I want you to just make a line like this, and let's draw the tail. There we go. From here, we can draw another tail. There we go, and there we go. And there's the tail of our little horse. Yeah, I think that looks absolutely beautiful. What do you think? And now from here, we're going to do the top of her head. So you're just going to make a little line like this, and we're going to make another line, and you're going to connect it like that. Good. And then from here, we're going to do the same thing as well. We're actually just going to draw a line like so. And from here, you can just draw a line back like so. Perfect. And then from here, maybe a line again like that. Yeah, and then from here, you can maybe do something like so and just connect it like there. And we can maybe just do another one like that. And that's her hair. And let's make it a little bit longer. So we're going to go up, over, and make it a little curl, and take her hair back. You see, it looks absolutely beautiful. And there's the hair at the back. And on this side, we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're just going to make a little curl, and we're going to connect it to her head. And then from here, like this, and like this. And there's her hair. I think she looks absolutely beautiful. Let's draw the eyebrows quickly. There's one eyebrow. And on this side, we're going to draw the other eyebrow. Be careful not to go through the hair. And there's our little girl. I think she looks absolutely amazing. So what we can do now, we can draw the grass. Yeah, on which she stands. Yeah, maybe like this. Perfect. And here as well. And we can do it right here for this hoof as well. Perfect. And there's our little girl. I think she looks absolutely amazing. What do you think? Now it's your turn. You can take the colors you want and you can color it in the way you want. And I'm sure she's going to look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.